Hi, welcome to a new week of Golf vs. Apron. Today I'm going to show you an easy dessert, Osmanthus and wolfberry jelly. Here are the ingredients. In a pot, add water and Konjac jelly powder and bring it to a boil. Stir until the powder is fully dissolved. Switch off the flame. Add osmanthus flowers and let it infuse for several minutes. Add about 4 wolfberries to each jelly mold, then pour the jelly mix you have just prepared to fill the mold. Chill the jelly in the fridge to set. Look out for my episode every Tuesday. See you next week.